Stop wasting time. Listen, somebody say something real cool. I love this. They said that downtime with the time that you spend doing things that prevent you from moving up in life. Tell me how are you using your time and I'll tell you future. How are you doing? How are you spending your downtime? Are you killing time or are you giving life to it? How are you spending your recreation or recreation? So many people are recreating themselves into a world version of themselves. Your downtime has to be spent doing things that move you up to become the highest, most developed version of yourself. When you are in the car, turn off the radio, turn off the Cardi B. I read this story that said she wouldn't even let her kid listen to her music. When I read that, I was like, wow, people make money off of filling our heads with ideas that they don't even let their children listen to. When you listen to the music, what do? You do that, alright? But what you are sending into your body is a subconscious message saying, yes, I agree with it. I agree with what I'm listening to on the radio. So if you are not careful, you could be subconsciously agreeing with the message that's not in the best interest of your highest self. You have to protect your space and your environment. People say you are what you eat. Yeah, that's true. But you are also what you watch. You are what you listen to. You are what you think about all day. So if you don't program your mind will be programmed by the TV programmer, by the radio programmer. It's no wonder why they call it back into your regularly scheduled programming. So if it doesn't contribute to the best and highest use of your time or the best and highest version of yourself, don't listen to it, don't watch it, and don't touch it. You pay a bill every month for your car needs to be paying back in the form of knowledge. So instead of the radio, listen to products, listen to audiobooks on subjects that are in harmony with the life that you want to create. Turn your car into automobile university. So if you listen to a chapter a day within 2 to 3 years, then you can be on the top 5% of your industry. You pay a bill every month to a T-Mobile, to Verizon, to AT&T. Your phone needs to be paying back in the form of knowledge and inspiration. So stop spending time on Instagram and start investing time on Instagram. Start following pages that are in harmony with the life that you wanted to create. So I will promise you, if you turn your downtime into time well spent, then you can eventually have your pastime turned into full time in no time. Peace.